Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about meme coins. Meme coins are just taking the market by storm and everyone is interested because the market is moving, and meme coin can be a very good opportunity to invest. Of course, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and let's dive deep into the topic. So guys, we start the video with the obvious one, of course. Number one, we have Dogecoin. As you can see here, Dogecoin is currently in ranking number 9 on the crypto market cap, and it's doing wonders. Dogecoin started life as a meme coin, mocking Bitcoin actually when it started also, and people were kind of dealing with that coin as a joke. But then later it developed into a very good form of investment, and as you can see here, during the spike back in 2021, it reached nearly 72 cents per coin, and that was when Mr. Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin and expressed explicitly that he's supporting this coin and this project. So things went parabolically up, and as you can see here, currently the price is at around 8 cents per coin, and it's expected even to go all the way to 10 cents and even further. Of course, take everything with a grain of salt, and things in the market can fluctuate, but generally speaking here, when you look at the performance over the last months or so, you will find that it's just going into a very bullish momentum and things are recovering quite rapidly because the market is just moving. But Dogecoin has a great potential, and everyone should at least consider investing in Dogecoin, at least with a small amount of money. And of course, you can be affording to lose that money, but Dogecoin is getting serious, and we're currently talking about $11.7 billion of market cap. So it's a big coin, it's not a joke anymore, and it's getting pretty serious. So going to number 2, the second spot here, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is currently in ranking number 19. It's top 20 coin. Also started life as a joke, as a meme coin. Nobody really gave a damn about it actually, but people slowly started to take it seriously. And as you can see here, the price is just so small. It just, I don't know how many zeros before any digits here, but as you can see here, it's currently $5.1 billion of market cap. Actually, that small market cap can give you some confidence that this project can double, can quadruple, can even 10x in price with relative ease. And also, when you look at the price chart, you will find the development of this coin. It first had a little spike in 2021, exactly the same time when Dogecoin was having a spike, and then it deflated in price slightly, went to a consolidation, and then it went parabolically crazy, going multiple 1000% up, and it's just gone completely wild ever since. And of course, we're having a little bit of a consolidation. Many people will be quite skeptical, and they will say, okay, that's over, party's over, we're gonna stuck here forever. No, it's never the case with crypto. And also here, when you zoom in over the last months, we're having a very slow and steady increase in price. So it can be also a very good opportunity for you to consider Shiba Inu, considering that the price market cap is quite nice, and also the prospect of this project is getting stable, and many people are interested in investing in this coin. That can also give you some peace of mind. Also, another coin you should consider is here. That's Meme Compact. It's a meme coin also. You can stake, you can play, you can get rewards, you can also inform yourself. Everything is linked down below in the description. The next price increase will be in 5 days, 21 hours and 20 minutes. And of course, you can find everything about the tokenomics here and how to get the MK. Here, that's kind of an investment opportunity also with a long-term perspective, because they're offering quite a lucrative APY. Of course, you need to understand it more, you need to gather more information and understand also the profile of risks involved in any form of investment. But here you will find that everything is well laid in front of you, and who knows, this coin can go crazy as well. It's a meme coin at the end of the day, so many people might not take it that serious, but also it can go wild and it can go crazy, and you can choose your meme and you can choose your coins, and then you can understand the whole tokenomics. Everything is laid out in front of you in a very transparent manner, so of course you can have a grasp of everything. Here is the roadmap, and here you can understand what's going on, pre-sale launch, and here's platform launch, season 1, season 2, and then further development also coming in the next quarter. So things can be quite expanding in the very near future. And here is the team. You can also get in touch and you can get to ask anything you want, and of course they're also linked here with their LinkedIn, so they're real people, so you can get in touch and you can ask some good questions. So things can be quite lucrative here with this coin, and the future might be also for this one, who knows, because out of nowhere things can pop up in the market. And also here with a lucrative APY, you can also at least secure some long-term prospect of this coin. And going back to the crypto market cap, you will find that the very last one we will be talking about is Pipcoin. Where's Pipcoin? Pipcoin, 93rd place. Of course, everyone also heard about Pipcoin. It came out of nowhere and it went absolutely crazy. It just went astronomically crazy. And as you can see here, that's the price chart. It was 0. I don't know how many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros before any significant digit. And it went all the way. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Multiple thousands % of increase, and it got into a 24 hours volume of $1.87 billion in one day, in 24 hours. So it went crazy, and of course, as usual, huge pump followed by a huge dump. Things are just normalizing right now in the market and going sideways, but with enough momentum we can also expect some movement. Also here, when you look at the last month's prospect here, you'll find that the price is increasing, going into consolidation, increasing again, slightly increase. It's not really as severe as before, but I would say once the market's starting moving again, things can be quite lucrative also for Pipcoin. So Pipcoin is also definitely something you might need to consider. Also a meme coin, also started life as a joke, and now look at it, it's a top 100, and it actually used to be ranking much higher, but since the market fluctuates a little bit, you also have to be comfortable with that. Things come and go, and also the projects need some time to grasp again some ground and go up again. Of course, everything also is linked down below in the description. Feel free to inform yourself more and understand the topic, and things can be quite well in the future for cryptocurrency. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the best meme coins to consider if you want to invest in any form of meme coins. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to educate yourself more, understand it more, gather more information, and build a better picture for yourself before investing in anything. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have also in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye bye.